Tonight we have a lunar eclipse, and we are going to observe it with a camera, a mobile phone, and a wide-angle refractor telescope. That's the Skywatcher Star Travel 102 millimeter, 110 2 millimeter telescope. I've changed the viewfinder to this good one, which is for the other telescopes I use, but this gives me a wide angle view and with a rectangle view straight, and looking forward to that. I've added also filter here, apochromatic, because this telescope has a very bad chromatic aberration, so I've added a chromatic filter to this, semi-apochromatic filter, Bader semi-autochromatic filter corrector, so that also will give a good thing. This is a EQ1 mount, so the tripod is a EQ3, but the mount, which is this part, is EQ1. This is the EQ3. Oh no, sorry, this is EQ2 from a refractor, 90 millimeter refractor. And we will see how this will do tonight. Tonight is the night of the lunar eclipse, and what you will see, the moon. Sun has set and the moon has risen, and in the early hours of the morning the lunar eclipse starts. We are really privileged we can see such a beautiful phenomenon this year. After the next one will be in 2029. Next total one. Tonight is total. Yes, we can see the lunar eclipse tonight, hopefully. Early morning hours. And what you see now is the moon rising from behind the trees and the electric pylons. We are really privileged tonight. And I'm doing it just with a mobile phone. And you can see the rabbit on the moon. Is it rabbit, Susan, or is it a man on the moon? Huh? Is it a rabbit on the moon or a man? Face of a person. A man on the moon, not a woman. I see something hanging on the moon. The crane is trying to reach to the moon. As we can see, now the moon is in eclipse. It has started. This is without using the features of the DSLR features of this mobile phone. So I will use those features and take a new video. Okay, as you can see, the moon is now entering the Earth's shadow, the actual umbra, not penumbra. The whole shadow is entering it. So the moon is entering the Earth shadow, and as you can see, the eclipse is starting from the west side of the moon disk, or moon as disk we call it, because it's in the sky, looks appear as a disk. This is not, it's a sphere. This is the view of the lunar eclipse through the finder scope of the telescope. There is a relatively thick layer of the clouds, so we are seeing it through that. The eclipse is now in progress, and you can see larger part of the moon is covered by the shadow of the earth. As you can see, the larger part of the earth shadow. As you can see, the moon is almost covered in the earth shadow, and the right side you see is in the earth shadow. The left side, which is a crescent shape, is not yet. I think in half an hour it completely will be covered. Unfortunately, during the total phase of the eclipse, we were clouded out, and you can see the sun is rising now. So that's the fact that we have to sometimes bear in mind. But anyway, I had some footage. You have seen them probably. And the sun is rising. And we are between them, sun and the moon. And our shadow, the shadow of our planet, fell on the moon.